Okay, so the first thing that I see that I need to do is I've got this subtraction. I've got these two subtraction signs. So what I'd like to do is I'm going to rewrite that. So I'm going to say this is 5 times the quantity 2x plus 3. And instead of minus 3, I'm going to write plus negative 3 times 5x plus negative 8. And all of that equals negative 11. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to distribute this. I'm going to start with distributing the 5, and then we're going to distribute the negative 3. So let's start with the 5. We've got 5 times 2x and 5 times 3. 5 times 2x gives me 10x, and 5 times 3 gives us 15. Next, let's do that negative 3. So I'm going to multiply negative 3 times 5x, and then negative 3 times negative 8. Negative 3 times 5x gives me negative 15x, and negative 3 times negative 8. 3 times 8 is 24, so negative 3 times negative 8 is going to give me positive 24 because a negative times a negative is positive. And we still haven't even touched that negative 11, so that's going to remain. So the next thing I'm going to do, and this is the thing that students frequently forget, which is combine like terms. Don't forget this part. Don't forget this step. So, my like terms that I see, I've got 10x and negative 15x. So 10 plus negative 15 leaves me with negative 5x. The next set of like terms I see is 15 and 24. So that's going to give me 39. And I still haven't touched the right side, so that remains negative 11. Now this is something I can work with. So remember, I want it to look like this. I want x on its own. X equals something. So we've got to get rid of this plus 39 and this times negative 5. So let's get rid of the plus 39 first. So the opposite of 39 is going to be negative 39. So I'm going to subtract 39 from both sides. These cancel out, leaves me with negative 5x. And negative 11, if I borrowed $11 from you, and then I borrow another 39, I'm going to owe you $50. So the next thing I'm going to do is divide both sides by negative 5. And these cancel out, and so I'm left with 1x equals, so 50 divided by 5 is 10, and a negative divided by a negative is positive. So my final answer is x equals 10.